Sugar, unveiling the startling truth they don't want you to know. Welcome to our eye-opening exploration of sugar, where we'll expose the sneaky culprit and unveil the startling truth they don't want you to know. But first, let's dive into what sugar truly is and how it's made. Sugar, the crystalline substance we know and love, is derived from various sources such as sugarcane and sugar beets. Through a complex refining process, these plants undergo a transformation, resulting in the creation of different types of sugar, including granulated sugar, brown sugar, and high fructose corn syrup. Now, let's uncover the astonishing statistics that shed light on the extent of sugar consumption. Did you know that the average person consumes over 150 pounds of sugar each year? That's equivalent to devouring around 22 sugar cubes every single day. Yikes! Brace yourself for the startling truth behind these numbers. Fact number 1. Sugar addiction. Sugar's addictive properties make it hard to resist. Once we indulge, our brains crave more, creating a cycle that's difficult to break. It's like a roller coaster ride for our taste buds and emotions. Fact number 2. Hidden sugars. Sugar weaves its way into countless processed foods, even those that don't immediately strike us as sweet. From condiments to canned soups, sugar infiltrates our diets. Fact number 3. Weight gain and obesity. Excessive sugar consumption is a major contributor to weight gain and the global obesity epidemic. It adds empty calories to our diets, leading to expanding waistlines and increased risk of obesity-related diseases. Fact number 4. Sugar and chronic diseases. Sugar is linked to a wide range of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It wreaks havoc on our bodies, increasing the risk of these serious health conditions. Fact number 5. Aging and skin health. Sugar accelerates the aging process and negatively impacts our skin health. It leads to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, causing wrinkles, sagging skin, and a dull complexion. Before we proceed, we have a special request. If you find this video as captivating as we do, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you'll become part of our community, embarking on a transformative path towards better health and well-being. Fact number 6. Mental health effects. Consuming excessive sugar has been associated with mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. It can disrupt brain chemistry, trigger mood swings, and aggravate existing mental health conditions. Fact number 7. Immune system suppression. Sugar weakens the immune system, making us more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. It impairs the function of the immune system, compromising our body's natural defense mechanisms. Fact number 8. Energy roller coaster. Sugar provides a temporary energy boost, but ultimately leaves us crashing and feeling drained. It contributes to unstable blood sugar levels and disrupts our energy balance, leading to fatigue and decreased productivity. Fact number 9. Dental decay. Sugar is a major culprit when it comes to tooth decay and cavities. Bacteria in our mouths feed on sugar, producing acid that erodes tooth enamel and can lead to oral health problems. Fact number 10. Nutrient deficiencies. Consuming excessive sugar often means replacing nutrient-dense foods with sugary treats. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, as our bodies miss out on essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed for optimal health. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Remember to stay tuned for more captivating videos covering a wide range of topics, and don't forget to click the link in the description for additional studies and statistics.